Hello, Nick here from nickbukeydrums.com, and here we go again with a reoccurring theme lesson on this channel. Yes, it is the Hot Pocket Chop Part 4. This is going to be a bit of a longer video than usual, but about a month ago, I made a video called the Hot Pocket Chop Challenge where I asked people to play versions 1 to 3 of the Hot Pocket Chop in a row and seamlessly integrate them together. While I was looking at the entries and judging the winners, I ended up writing this lesson. Towards the end of the video, I'll be showing the winning entries and showing a few of the video submissions that people sent me. But first, let's delve into the Hot Pocket Chop Part 4. It's based on a 9-note lick from a previous lesson on this channel titled The Easy Shredder. Let's take a look now at the lick that this lesson is based on. Here's a clip of me actually using a version of this lick in a solo section from a live album recording I did a few years ago with Dexter Moore.
Ooh, yeah! Nick Bukey on drums.
There are 2 different variations of that lick and a whole lot of applications in that video, so go back and check out the Easy Shredder lesson if you haven't seen it already. Okay, here is the Hot Pocket Chop 4 transcription. I'm going to play this with a swung groove and add some offbeat hi-hats just to give it a little bit of extra spice. Let's roll that clip right now. Okay, now it is time to break this down slowly. Here is phrase 1. Here is phrase 2, adding a roll around the toms on beat 4. Phrase 3 is another slightly different variation. And now for phrase 4 with the classic cross under pattern that is in many of my other videos. Let's put phrases 1 to 4 together slowly now, and let me know in the comments if you like both camera angles or if you just prefer it from one, nice and simple like my old videos. together again and speed it up a little bit. Okay, here is a transcription of the bonus lick that I played in the introduction where I resolved the pattern with an extra kick drum on the of beat 4. I'm in the process of making a video breaking down the groove that I played in the introduction, so hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you know when it comes out. Okay, now for the winners of the Hot Pocket Chop Challenge. I was really impressed by the quality and the standard of the entries, and it was so good meeting people from all over the world through this competition. It was really hard to judge the winners, but I ended up giving free course registrations to 2 people. Here are the winning entries. There are more entries in my tag videos on Instagram, but here are a few other video submissions that I was sent. Go and give these people some love on Instagram and follow me while you're at it.
Chalo.
I hope you've enjoyed this video. Like it and subscribe and download the sheet music from nickbukeydrums.com. Okay, that's it from me. I will see you next time. Bye.